Changing your verification method on Binance can help enhance your account security or update your preferences. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Binance website or app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app or browser for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section, which is typically found in the Profile menu. Step 3. Select Verification Method. In the Security Settings, locate the section for verification methods. Here, you will see options for two-factor authentication, 2FA, email verification, and other security features. Step 4. Choose your new method. Select the verification method you wish to change. This could involve switching from SMS to an authentication app or updating your email address. Follow the prompts to initiate the change. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new verification method, you may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your current method. Follow the instructions provided to complete the change and ensure your new method is active. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Always ensure your account is secure by regularly reviewing your security settings.